like I said, the update on the operating system probably turn on screen lock. So if you walk away and your computer goes to sleep or standby, and whenever you want to wake it up, it's going to ask you for a passcode or password. So we need to turn that portion off. It's really easy to do. Let's go to System Preference. It should be located on the bottom here, hopefully. So you click that. If you don't see that somehow down there, you can access it by hitting Finder and going to Application. Just look for where is it? System Preference right here. The same thing. So if you can't find it down here, hopefully there is down there. You would go that route. Okay. So let's go ahead and click on System Preference. And then next, you would go to Security and Privacy. And well, I just checked it earlier. I was just testing it. But this is what you need to do. You need to click that. And it's going to ask you for the admin password, which I set was 1005. Okay. Oh, not in my case. My Mac is different. But for you, it's 1005. Okay. Say, are you sure you want to turn the screen lock? Turn off the screen lock. Turn off screen lock. And so once this is unchecked, it just means no longer requiring password after it goes to sleep, and you should be golden. That'd be good. So that's it. Hopefully that works for you. Let me know.